Oh brother Thane, this is my ODS movies app. As you can see, the footer has all the stuff, and I also have seeded all of these movies into it. Then, so I only have 2 genres in there. I didn't really know what genres they were, so I just used the same genres that the tutorial used. But as you can see, you can filter comedy or romantic comedy or all. Then if you want to filter by name, you can do that. Couldn't get the date to work, but I feel like I was close there. Sorry, I'm making a video. And if you edit it, let's make it 18 minutes. Sequel. Okay, and you can see edits. Then you can also see the details. Back to list, and you can delete. Sure, I'll delete it. There we go. I also changed the background colors. And made sure ODS movies displays everywhere. Yeah, I think that's all required.